Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is the PT330 13-inch portable thicknesser. It has a powerful 1800-watt motor with a maximum cutting width of 13-inch and a maximum timber depth of 6 inches. There are two double-edged pin blades which allow a maximum depth of 3 millimeters to be removed from soft wood. The timber is drawn through the cutter block by two powered rubber feed rollers running at a speed of 7.5 meters per minute. This gives 18,000 cuts per minute. The height is adjusted using the handle on top and can then be locked in place using this quick release lever, which will help reduce the risk of snipe. There is a useful spring-loaded repeat stop for when you want to produce several pieces to the same dimension. Extraction is always recommended, and you can attach your dust extractor using the 100mm or the 63mm fitting on the back. The large tables can be adjusted to ensure accurate flat surface. They can then be folded up, and there are two comfortable handles to allow you to move the thicknesser around the workshop. It also comes complete with a cable tidy. The key feature of this thicknesser is the blades can be changed easily without any fiddly setting. Once you've removed the covers, there's a spindle lock that locks the block in place. You then simply slacken off the 6 retaining screws until you can lift the blade out. The blades have slots which simply locate on the pins on the cutter block. You then tighten up the 6 screws and refit the covers. You're then ready to go with the minimum of downtime.